and Bella, and today we're gonna do the Guess That Squishy challenge. I have a blindfold on.
The camera's that way. That way. There you go. What? Nope. Is it?
My eyes are closed, and
she has a blindfold on.
Here's a squishy.
So nope.
So give me one, and then
I know what to do. I'm gonna give her one, and then she's gonna
show the camera
before. I am.
Before you give me.
Ow. Don't know why I said ow. It didn't even hurt me. Okay. Hold your hand out.
I think I'm gonna get good.
Okay.
I know my squishies.
Wait, I gotta. Okay. Oh, did you hear my stomach?
My baseball.
Yes.
I looked at it. Okay, ready, go.
Did you just see what I had?
What?
Did you see what I had in my hand?
No, I just looked at the ball right here. Is it ready?
No. Okay.
Okay. Talk something.
I am.
I can't hear you.
I took
I took all the tags. I don't take the tags off.
I didn't take the tags off.
Okay.
Wait, I have to squish it for them first.
And it's your elbow. A hamburger? Is that right?
Mhm.
Yeah.
I said I took off the cell phone tag.
How many do you do it to me and let me do it to you? 2 points for me.
We're gonna go to 5.
Okay. 2 points.
No, we're gonna go to 10.
Bella.
We're gonna go to 10.
Okay, for me and then 10 for you. Well, I only have 15 though.
This is like, there's different kinds of it. You have to say the exact kind.
Oh, what? Oh, it's the cupcake, isn't it?
Okay, well, now you gotta figure out which one.
Chocolate.
Wrong.
What?
I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Okay. I'm good at this. Obviously. Here's the... I don't know what kind of emoji this is, but it's an emoji. And here's the poop.
How do you know it was a poop if your eyes are closed?
And you can tell this is the shape of the poop and like it's denser. And that's another emoji. Oh, this is the hard one that speaks, see? Where's the hand?
There.
That's it. Oh.
Get off. Wait, I gotta squish it. Okay.
Does my hair look weird?
No, it looks fine. Don't worry about it. I thought we turned that off. Wait, where'd the... Aww.
It's the mini cupcake.
Yeah, but where did my sugar go?
3 for Bella.
Where did my
0. When you trick me and I don't get it right, you get a point. But 3 for Bella, 0 for Gabby. Here.
You threw it across the room.
No, I didn't.
Yes, and it went all the way to the my book bag.
Let me see.
I got it now.
Oh.
Dip.
Give me. Give me.
I'm not done yet. This one's easy. Not gonna give you this.
No, don't give me easy. Give me hard. What? Blush bun. Where'd it go? There you go. Don't throw it at me. Where'd it go? Oh, it came back to me. Like
No.
Where did that one go? Where did it
All the way over there. Here.
Oh my god, time out. Okay, no, don't time out. My eyes are messed up from this.
Can you see?
No, it's the melon bun. I dropped it. Is it the melon bun?
You're a melon bun.
How many have you done?
This one's hard. That's my 4th one. No, that's my 5th one.
How many have you done?
4, 5. 5? 5.
Soccer ball.
Wrong!
Wait, let me see.
No, you can't look at it. It's just wrong.
Then give it to me. But that's not right. It was a soccer ball.
No, it wasn't. I swear. Where's the soccer? No, it was not the soccer ball. I swear. You can look at the video.
Okay. Well,
Okay.
Okay.
Wrong. Okay, she got one more. Ah.
Macaroon. Hot pink one.
I only have one.
Oh no.
This one's a hard one.
I need to do that flip hair thing. Wait. Is it working? Donut, the first one I had with a lot of defects, cracks everywhere.
We're not going to 10.
Bread.
This is. See if you can do that one.
The cookie with the chocolate in the middle. You don't know what it is. It's like a biscuit cookie thing. Like the sleepy eye. Is it right?
Yes, you're right. Okay. Okay, that's you got 9.
Okay, can I get my eyes?
Yeah.
Probably. I gotta get my eyes normal. Everything's blurry.
Okay. Look like you're about to fight.
Look, everything's
Cha-cha-cha!
blurry. No, good.
Open your eyes.
Okay, everything's better. It's a little bit blurry, but it's still better. It's better than it was. Okay. So how about this here?
You have to lip say it to the screen.
No, they can see.
I did it. Soccer ball.
Yes. Soccer ball. 1 for you. 1 point.
If I don't know the name, can I just describe it?
Why would you know a name of food? They're all food except.
Yeah, but like the blush bun and the watermelon with the watermelon cookie.
We don't know what it is. We just call it a biscuit. We just call it a biscuit.
Or the pancake?
No, it's a melon bun. And wait, I forgot to show them. I just thought of it. Hey, why is my donut all the way over there?
Because you do it. Told you. Melon bun. It's the melon bun.
Yeah, okay,
Was that right?
Yeah.
How many do I have? 3?
I don't know.
First one was soccer ball. Second one was. Just give it to me. The second donut you got. The one with the. I don't have to subscribe it that far. Just take it. No, I don't. You did it.
I have 2, look.
Without defects. You should the one without defects. No, you didn't.
I'm talking to the camera. Which one is it?
I can't see.
I know.
Give me it back. You only got 1.
No, I didn't.
1 donut? Yes, you did. The first one you got. Not the new one. The old one.
It's not the old one.
I know. I'm saying the one that you just got, the new one. Not the old one.
I have 2 new ones.
When did you get 2 new ones? Give me the other one. What the heck? The white? No. Just in the white one?
Which one's the one that I gave you?
The white one?
Yeah.
Sprinkles?
How did you get that?
I don't know. I didn't even know you had this one.
It's pink.
Oh yeah.
I had my the camera in my hand because
Hi.
because they could see better.
Hi.
It's not there anymore.
Hi. Where is it? Hi.
It's in the regular place. Okay.
Hi.
Okay. How many have I gave you? There's only
1, 2, 3.
Where's the third one?
I threw it. Remember? It just
What was it?
It was the donut. And soccer ball, melon bun, donut.
This is gonna be easy. I don't know what's going on. Actually, I don't know. I'm just gonna give it to you. Wait, Emmy. I wish I could say that.
Well, let's say it. Like,
I already did. You want it or not?
yeah,
Put your hand down.
football.
Sorry, I like squeezing this one.
Ow, my ankle cracked. This one?
Yeah.
That one? What the
Describe it.
has chocolate right here, and it has the face right up. Sleepy. Taste it.
And it's like a cookie biscuit thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, she got that right. And I found this one. You're probably gonna get right, but
I know I'm gonna get it right, because I'm the best. This one? Waffle. That's why I didn't give you. I was like, this is so easy. I'm not gonna give it to you.
boom.
Cupcake. Strawberry. The pink one. Boom.
Easiest one yet.
I feel like I knew you were
It went back in the thing correctly. Oh my god! Open your eyes like big. Don't look at the rest. Oh no! Close them. You missed it. It was like they were sitting like right here.
Okay, wait, I can't see.
I know it's horrible, right?
Wait, my dad up front?
Your dad.
Yeah.
My
Mom
mom
said because Daddy might pick me up.
I thought my mom was taking you.
Your mom is, but my mom said that my dad might pick me up too. But my mom said that your mom can't pick me up. Let's go.
Okay, so close your eyes. Okay.
We have the same mom, by the way. I'm adopted.
It's out of my hand.
What is this?
It's my finger.
Oh, yeah, I was
You
wondering.
handed it out of my hand.
I was like, this is not squishy at all. It's this. Stop giving me the same stuff as the sleepy bun.
Okay. Not my hand.
Wrap! Mini cupcake! I didn't know what it was.
I've done 7.
Huh?
I've done 7, I think. I dropped it. Open your hand. Perfect. No, open it like straight.
Hamburger.
Yes. I just kind of knew you because you weren't
Did it
guessing
hit the
it
camera?
right.
I want another one to hit.
It hit the camera totally, even though the camera's in my hand.
I want to hit the camera with something.
But the camera's in my hand,
Where's your hand?
right here. But I'm gonna set it.
Where? You can't say right here because I don't know where right here is.
I don't. putting it back so you can.
Did it hit it?
Yeah.
Huh?
I can't even hit it. I can see it. Oh, that's not ready. Slow motion. Okay. Okay. Ready? Okay, that's pretty much all because we did. You know the rest.
Really?
Yeah. Here.
Make it one more.
This is the last one anyway. It's the
Macaroon.
Yeah. So yeah, that was our squishy.
I got none wrong, so I won.
I got none wrong too. So
You got one wrong. You got the soccer ball mixed up with the basketball. I mean.
Oh, I didn't even give you that one. Whoops.
Whoopsies.
So look. So this is the aftermath of us throwing squishies around. And the balloons and the squishies. Bye guys.
Juices.